Today is the 8th of November, and these were planted on the 21st of October. These are your chocolate cherry seeds, right?
Right.
And that's your mighty banana pepper plant. Now, it's going to be sad. You see what you just touched there? You got to pull those out.
Why?
Because they're going to get overcrowded.
So I gotta pull one out?
You got to pull them both out. Pull the other one out. Yep.
I gotta plant them in some else now.
Yeah. Maybe you can drop them into some water. We'll do that. But we had to do that so it wouldn't get overcrowded in there. Okay? All right.
And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.